In this demo, we are going to look at the self-scheduling feature offered by ThriftCart along with our pickup scheduling software. So we could build out a link for you to put on your website, Facebook page, or other social media platform that has your branding, color, logo on here so that from your donor's perspective, it still looks like they are on your Habitat sites there. The initial page here could have whatever preliminary questions you want to ask, maybe confirming that all the items are outside or that there's no steps that your drivers will have to traverse or otherwise. And also maybe that the donor needs to acknowledge that these items can be rejected by the driver per their discretion or whatever original agreements you want them to agree to. Next step here, that your donors would enter their contact information, and the system is comparing their address to the zones that you have set up in ThriftCart for your service pickup area. So if the donor enters in here an address that falls outside of your service pickup area, it won't let them proceed with scheduling the pickup. And you can have a warning prompt that maybe requests that they call in to schedule this pickup instead, since the address isn't located, or whatever that might be. So here I'll enter an address that's outside of the serviced area, and donor attempts to proceed, and here's an error message that comes up. In this case, it just says that the address is outside the serviced area, but you can have an email or phone number in there for them to contact if you would like. Okay, let's enter an address that does work. We'll say Forest Drive in Raleigh. Also, the system is comparing their contact information to donor and customer records that you already have in your system. And I think it's about if there's an 80% match of a contact record within ThriftCart, then it will match this donation to that contact record as well, instead of creating a brand new and duplicate contact record in ThriftCart. So that can be helpful. This open box here can be a place where they could enter in, say, a gate code, or if you wanted to change this question, maybe ask how the donor learned about you, or if there's any special instructions with this pickup or otherwise. That's just an available box there for gathering more information. We'll proceed here to the next step, and now the system provides them a calendar view for options when they can schedule this donation. There's a few parameters taking place here. So first of all, you might require that all self-scheduled pickups are scheduled at least 3 or 7 days in advance, whatever it might be. So days prior to that parameter will be blocked out in gray. Also, any days that your truck are full will be in gray as well, so the donors can't schedule pickup. And the system is comparing the donor's address to your pickup zones set up in ThriftCart, and only providing days which per ThriftCart you are already going to be in this donor's neighborhood or area of town for doing pickups. And now they can only select one day here. This isn't like where they can say, oh, I'm available Friday and Tuesday and Monday, but it's just one or the other, because it is actually scheduling this pickup in your stop route sheet. So we'll say they're going to pick Friday here and then proceed on to the next step. Now we have department options. Instead of your donors needing to key in the different items that they're donating, instead they can just select these items on their smartphone touchscreen or on their computer here. So it makes it a smooth process for them. Maybe they're donating some furniture. Here's a list of some different types of furniture they might donate. These are all customizable lists according to your store's preferences. You might also have items highlighted in red that show that you do not accept these. So if a donor attempts to donate a piano, it's just not going to let them proceed here. And they need to go back and click on an item that you do accept. So maybe we'll say a sofa. And then you can have a item quality prompt here per item. This is unique per item to just help ensure that these donations are valuable. And so in this case, maybe all sofas need to be free of rips, stains, and tears, without pet contact, and no sleeper sofas. These prompts are customizable as well. So we'll go ahead and add that option. And we'll maybe say that they're donating some dishes. You can have a quantity prompt in here as well. So you can just put in there maybe they're donating a 20 dish set there. Okay, next for submitting photos. So this is an optional page here. This could be removed if you want, but if you want to require or request photos be submitted with donations, that is optional. And that requirement for a photo can even be item specific. So maybe you don't request photographs for any appliances, but you require a photograph for every piece of furniture that's donated or something like that. The donor could snap a picture, again, with their smartphone, or they can upload a picture from their computer. Let's do that here. We'll say we have a picture of a sofa, and now you'll be able to review this later on before making this pickup. This is another optional page to request a monetary donation. Again, this can be a request or a requirement. So if you want to, say, require a monetary donation, maybe even just on one day of the week, maybe you do free pickups Monday through Friday, but you need at least $50 a monetary donation to make it worth getting your truck on the road on Saturdays. There could be parameters, that type of parameter built into the system. Or this page could be removed entirely if you want to offer free donations. We'll say that they're going to donate $10 here and process a card payment online. Okay, submit the payment. There's a confirmation page. They can agree to whatever your terms and conditions might be. They check that box and schedule the pickup. The system will automatically send them a confirmation email, and that is a pre-formatted email. You might phrase it like a hard confirmation, and that thank you for scheduling your pickup on Friday. We look forward to picking up the couch and dishes then. Or maybe you want that to be soft verbiage, something like, thank you for requesting this pickup on Friday. After we review the attached photos, we will confirm that these donations meet our specifications. Either way, the donation is going to be in your schedule unless you reject it. So if you come here to your truck scheduling main screen, there's a red ribbon that now shows up letting you know that there's a self-scheduled pickup for your review. Open up that page here and you can see the handful of self-scheduled pickups. Any of those highlighted in yellow are brand new pickups that have not yet been looked at. From this page, you can look at any images that might have been submitted with this pickup request and see if they look like good quality or not. You can zoom in on these images. Looks like the couch is good condition. Very good. Also from this page, you can highlight items in red just by marking them, just by flagging them here. And that just lets you know that they need to be further reviewed. Again, it doesn't remove it from your route sheet. So if you do print your route sheet for your driver, that stop will still be included. You're not going to miss it, but highlighted in red can let your managers know that maybe it needs looked at further. Or then if you confirm it, that highlights it in green. And again, it doesn't change the status on if it's in your route sheet or not, but it just turns it green on this page so that you know you've taken a look at it and don't need to review that self-scheduled pickup again. Also from this view, you can edit these pickups. So you click on Edit Pickup here, and there's the option to change what day this pickup is going to be picked up on. You can also add or remove items from this stop. So if you wanted to give your donor a call because something looks like it doesn't fit your quality needs, you want to tell them, hey, I'm sorry, I can't accept these curtain rods. You could delete that here. And maybe they say, you know what, I actually also have a rug to donate. You could add a rug here as well. Again, you could change your date, add a driver note, maybe items by mailbox, and then go ahead and save the edits. So if you don't have self-scheduling activated in your account and would like to do so, please send an email to support@thriftcart.com. Or if you would like a full demo of the pickup scheduling software, don't hesitate to reply to this email or give me a call, 360-443-5557. I'd look forward to scheduling that demo with you or getting the self-scheduling page activated on your account. Again, that's support@thriftcart.com, or my phone number here is 360-443-5557, or you can reply to the email with this video. Thanks.